Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as like the intro, I'm going to be using 2K. So this is 2K clear with the hardener in it. Some you can get, they got a button on the bottom. You got to press that button and activate it by shaking the hardener with the actual 2K clear. So I've never used this before because once you puncture it, then you've got to use it all at once. This here, you can use it at any time. You just shake it thoroughly and it's ready to go, or you can put it on the shelf. So let's get into it, and I'm going to do my 1 tonner's dash fascia, or the cluster fascia and that. So I did use a clear sheen, what was it, a satin clear, but it has no hardener in it, and you can scratch it and everything, and it's not as durable. Where this is, it's just a semi-gloss, so it should come out similar to a what was it, matte sheen. So let's see what the application's like, and go from there. I already have done the cowling on my ute. I'll show you that soon, but let's see how good this goes. It's a good day today, but it's just the wind's picked up a little bit. But we'll see if we've got a good volume of stream coming out, see if I can capture that for you on video. I would have it indoors, but I've got the 1 tonner in there. I don't want to get it all over the paint. And anyway, so let's see how we go. Right away. Just as that happened, I got a dog here come into the scene. Wow, how would you be? Oh, it's left a little bit of a scar. Anyway. That bit of coverage is going really good. It's 15 minutes, and give it another hit. Yeah, I've got a bit of crap in there, another hair by the looks of it. That's the problem being outside, you're going to get rubbish in it, but what do you do? And there's a few patches that I did. My repairs weren't perfect. This is all a new infill where the radio was cut out, and I've just patched it for now till I know what I'm going to do there. But overall, this is what it's called, H-Body Pro Series C495 semi-gloss clear. It's an acrylic system. Now what I used for the base on this was actually an acrylic as well. This is what I used, see, as a satin black acrylic. Alright, so while this is curing a little bit, hopefully nothing sticks to it, we'll go inside. Okay, so here's the 1 tonner, and I just covered it back up with some plastic to respray the black here. Now it was, Mark did a really good job, but I was doing some work, I didn't have it covered, and I ended up scratching the paint, and I thought, damn it. So I fixed the repairs, or I repaired my mess, my scratches, and I've clear coated this. It's got a bit of dust on it now, it's been a couple of days, but I did this whole thing. Hopefully it's coming up in the camera. So any white you can see, that is dust flakes there. Get a really close shot with the. So it's just, yeah, like a semi-gloss or satin black with a clear coat now and a hardener. So that should resist from actual scratching the black paint off anymore. So how it's sprayed, the angle and everything, I put 3 coats on it and I'm really happy with it. Now the cans I bought, put this over here, turn the sun off. So the cans I bought, they were about $26 each. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm not sponsored by these guys or any of the products, but if anyone's interested, that's what I've used. Never used any other 2K clear. So for those that don't know, I should explain. You've got like a base coat and then a clear over it. But this is 2K clear, so this is 2K paintwork. You sort of put a base color down, like I have. The base color was red, and then you put a clear over that, where an enamel is like this VY here I painted. That's just enamel, so it's already got the gloss in it. I did put hardener in that as well, tucked over there with a cover over it, but the sun destroyed the cover, and that will buff back up, but not in the sun for all those years. So this has been done ago. I did this about 5 years ago, I think, ages ago, but needs a good wax. Getting back to this, now I'm going to give it each panel another coat, get rid of a couple of bits of fur or something, and yeah, so that's it guys. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, thumbs up to that product. Yep, really happy. Oh, right in the sun here. Really happy with it. What else can I say? First time using it, and yeah, it's great. Rather than sort of mixing up your spray gun. Okay, so this is just like for quick jobs like this, instead of putting your spray gun with all your product and then cleaning it and all that. So this is really good. All right, and to those who have subscribed, I really appreciate it. Thanks once again. Don't have to, but yeah, just push a button. It's as easy as that. There's no subscription fee or anything like that. There's no ongoing payments. It's just a thumbs up if you want, comment, and press the subscribe. Thanks guys, until next time. We've got more on the 1 tonner wiring to come, of course. If you're interested in that, stick around. New bushes, and yeah, the rebuild goes on. Engine later on. That's the engine there. I'm probably going to rip down and rebuild. So stay tuned guys.